Hey everyone, so today we'll be making salmon croquettes, or salmon patties as I like to call them. And so the first thing you want to do is drain your can of salmon. You don't want that fishy juice in there. You don't need it necessarily either because you're going to be frying these. So right now I'm just searching for the bones. There's some right there. This can really didn't have many. Usually I'm picking bones out of it for a good little while, but this is a great can, so just keep on crumbling it up. And the next thing you're going to do is add the seasonings. So I'm just searching for any small bones that I might have missed in the batter. And then I will start adding my seasonings, some pepper, some salt, some chili powder, and a little bit of sugar. This isn't the typical sugar that I use, but it'll do. And just mix that in. So I'm adding some onion powder. And feel free to use whatever type of seasonings you would like. You don't have to use the same one as I. Salmon patties, really, it's up to your discretion and to your taste. I'm also adding some onions. I did in this batter of salmon croquettes, but you can also use green bell peppers in there as well. I've done that in the past. I just didn't have one. Adding an egg in there. Then I dropped the eggshell. First time doing that, of course, because I'm recording. But anyways, so we're gonna mix that up. We're about to start to create our patties. You only really need one egg for 1 can of salmon. And then you're going to add in some breadcrumbs. And you can use whatever type of breadcrumbs. They have like Italian kind. If you want to make homemade breadcrumbs. Right here I'm using plain breadcrumbs because I did season it just how I liked it, and so I didn't need to add any extra flavors. And just keep mixing that up, and we're going to make our patties. And one tip I'll give you is that you want to make sure you put enough breadcrumbs and it's not too watery. Otherwise, when you put it in the pan of oil, the salmon patty is going to pretty much crumble because there's too much water, and water and oil do not mix. So put enough breadcrumbs so that when you're squeezing the salmon into your patties, there's not water dripping out. Also, make sure you incorporate the onions really well into your patty. That's why you see me rolling it up into a ball and kind of smushing it around, because I'm trying to get the onions into the patty. Just like that. Otherwise, if you don't, the patty the onions will fall off. There's a bone. the onions will fall off in the oil. So, quick tip. Now we're going to pour the oil in and get to frying. So pretty much fry until brown, or how dark you would like it, and serve with whatever side. I am serving mine with rice this time. Thanks you guys for watching.